Having a knowledge of network and its underlying components is very important, even if you are managing networks in the cloud. As you know by now, you can create several resources in Azure, for example, storage accounts, virtual machines, databases, etc. But where do they eventually sit? They will eventually sit on a virtual network. A virtual network is a boundary in which your resources will be placed. A virtual network in Azure is called as VNet. A VNet is a representation of your own network in the cloud. You can use VNets to provision and manage virtual private networks in Azure. You can also connect your on-premise infrastructure with this VNet. So the connection between on-premise networks and the virtual networks in Azure can be kept private. Optionally, you can also have a VNet to VNet communication. Each VNet you create has its own CIDR block. CIDR blocks are referred in RFC 1918. To simplify CIDR blocks, they are categorized as class A, B, C, D, and E. You will usually use private networks to create a CIDR block or create a VNet. So Azure Virtual Networks, called as VNets, is nothing but a representation of your own network in the cloud. This is created to make sure that you can host your resources privately in an isolated Azure cloud network.